Okay, did you know you can access your Linux server directly from Google Chrome without installing PuTTY or mobixter? Okay, let's see. I will show you. Go to the Google Chrome browser. Just type secure cell extension for Google Chrome. Click the first URL and add Chrome extension. All you need to secure cell extension for Google Chrome. First install. Okay, this is secure cell extension. After that, check how to connect Linux server through Google Chrome browser. I will show you. Just type SSH and then tab. Okay, terminal is open. Now, whatever you want to your Linux server, you can log in or access there. I will try my one my test server is. Just show you for you, and my port number is 9522, and then enter. My username is sadmin and my okay. I are you sure want to continue connection? Yes or no? Yes. My admin password is I will put that. Okay, this is my test server is login. This is my IP. This is my Linux server OS version. Okay, that's it. You are also you are also connecting login through browser without PuTTY or mobile extern within 60 seconds. Thanks.